Oh my gosh, guys, I have been on a hold with a department at my work for half an hour now trying to get a transfer approved. And it's 4:36, so I was supposed to be done 6 minutes ago, but this is what we have to do sometimes, I guess. But while I am on hold, since I am technically not supposed to be working anymore, I am looking at these floors for my kitchen. And I kept debating what type of floor I should do in my kitchen because I think that having a fake wood vinyl floor is kind of tacky when it's butted up against real wood floors. I just feel like that looks kind of weird. But I found this one, and it's a gray wood, so it's completely different than the wood that I have in the rest of the house, which I feel like could make it work because then it's just like a contrast, it's not like I'm trying to make the vinyl look like the wood. You know what I mean? I feel like that makes sense, but maybe not. So anyways, I found this one. It's at Home Depot. And so I'm going to go there right when I'm done with this phone call and try and get 2 boxes of it, or cases, because I need, I think, 30 square feet, and it comes in 24.5 square foot boxes for $61. I wish I could get like half of a box because there's no reason for me to buy two, but I guess that's what we'll do. And yeah, if I end up not liking it, I can just return it. So I'm just gonna lay it out and see how it looks without actually installing them. So that is the plan. I did this mock-up in Photoshop. I mean, it looks crappy, but I just took a picture of my kitchen, and so this is the wood, the real wood, and then I would be putting something in this area. So I just took the picture of these wooden planks from Home Depot's website and just put them in here in Photoshop so that I could kind of see what it would look like. And I kind of like that. I don't think that looks bad. I mean, obviously, like, the Photoshop doesn't look that good, but I was just trying to do this quickly. But I think that it could look good with this color, especially with the white cabinets, since they are not blue. I still have the film on them, which I might as well take off. And then I also am getting the darker concrete looking countertops. Yeah, I'm excited to do that because I like doing things in the house that make an immediate change like that. I don't like doing like the finishing work. I think I've mentioned this before, but I much prefer doing like the exciting big new stuff. And the kitchen floor right now is so ugly that I just need it to change, or at least have some kind of idea of what I'm gonna do to it. So that is that. Oh, I'm still on hold. It's been 40 minutes. I'm still on hold. But this is important, so I can't hang up. I also am going to Target today. I know I mentioned that I'm going to go to Target like all the time, even though I don't like it there. But I haven't gone, so I'm actually going to go today because I need to get replacement brush heads for my toothbrush because I have an electric toothbrush. And I also want to get a jump rope because I'm realizing that I am so insanely out of shape. I'm like the type of... Sorry, I thought they picked up. They didn't. I'm the type of person to get out of breath walking up one flight of stairs. Like, it's really bad. And jump roping is fun for me, so I thought that would be good compared to like running. I know if I started running or jogging, I wouldn't follow through with something like that. But with jump roping, I feel like you can do it for less time and still get a really good effect out of it and get your heart pumping. So I'm gonna do that. I also called my doctor today because I actually went to the doctor 6 months ago to get blood work because I just wanted to get like a full panel of blood work done because I have this thing where I'm just tired all the time and I sleep like 10 hours a night and I'm still tired all the time. So I thought maybe I was anemic, like that I didn't have enough iron in my system, or that I might not have enough vitamin D, because where I live the sun is never out and I just can't really be in the sun because I burn really easily. But I got the blood results back and my TSH was a little high, which I guess has something to do with your thyroid. So it means that your thyroid is underproducing. I might have hypothyroidism, which would explain me being tired all the time, also me being cold all the time, and yeah, just like a couple other things. So I was supposed to go back in for like a second test to go through just thyroid related, like a more in-depth thyroid blood test, I guess. And I just never ended up making an appointment for that because I was just so busy and I honestly just forgot about it. But today I decided to call my doctor and I made my appointment for Monday. They said I'm still good. I guess you can do this test a year after you get the first one and it's still fine. So I'm going to do that and finally figure out what, my issue is, if I even have one. So yeah, I'm trying to get my life in order here. Yeah, so I'm hoping that plus me starting to exercise a little bit will help with just how I feel every day, because I know that the lack of exercise also has something to do with me not feeling my best all the time. And then lastly, yesterday I got my taxes done. I have never gotten my taxes done with... Okay, sorry. Person on the line picked up just to say we're still looking at this, so I'm still on hold. Also, can you hear my lisp at all? I feel like it's gotten a little better, but I can still hear it, especially when I'm editing. I can hear it and I cringe, but hopefully it's not too bad when you're listening to it. But anyways, I was talking about my taxes. So yeah, I got my taxes done yesterday. I've always done them by myself because I've only had W-2s and like interest income to report. But this time, since I have my rental property, I have a Schedule E, I think it is, that I had to complete. And I was trying to do that by myself and trying to learn about that, but I realized that it's better for someone else to look at it because screwing something up on your taxes is probably the worst thing you can do. And I really just don't want to be dealing with that. So I'm going through like this local guy. We had a Zoom call yesterday. It was super short, just a couple minutes, because I already completed all the forms that he requested, like with all the information that I needed to give. And I guess it'll take a couple of weeks. I think when I get my actual forms back, I'll be able to look at it for this year, and then I can probably do my own next year, because I'll have a lot of that basic information, like for doing like the depreciation of the property every year. Like I don't really know how to do those calculations, but that's like a one-time thing. So it'll be calculated for this year and then I can use that for future years. So that's what I think I'm going to do. Yeah, but I think it's about $200 to get my taxes done. I haven't paid him yet, so I'm not sure what it came out to, but I think it's around there, which I think is pretty reasonable for the amount of work. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm still on hold. It's 4:48, and I was really hoping to get out of here by now because I have all this stuff I have to buy. Plus, when my boyfriend comes home at around 8:30, he's having a friend come over. So I want to tidy up because I really don't like having people over when my house is a mess, because it reflects poorly on me. I would rather people come in to a clean, especially because this person has never been here, so I don't know. I just don't want like it to look bad. It is 5:12 and I'm finally done. So I decided to just wear these pants. I have not worn them since I was in the office, so a year ago. I feel like I need more like casual pants because I only have a couple pairs of jeans, and just like leggings. So I don't really have anything else that I can really wear. So I'm wearing my work clothes now. For those of you who might be wondering, this is my car. I know some of you requested to see it, so here it is. I can't really show the front too much. And I have some bird poop on the windows. Also, the thing that I love about this car, I know like a lot of cars do this now, but my last one did not, but if you just put your hand on the door handle, it unlocks the car for you. And then there's a little spot to put your finger where it will lock it for you, so you never have to take the keys out. And yeah, here's the inside. It's got the caramel brown trim, or the seats I mean, which I love. And it also has this handy little moonroof, or sunroof, I guess, which opens up, but it's cold out, so I'm not going to do that. Yep, just like some normal stuff. This one doesn't have a screen, which I guess the premium versions have a screen, but I don't really need it since I use my phone for directions and stuff anyways, and I don't need to be distracted. So yeah, it's got the Bluetooth though, so that's good. And then this model has heated seats, so I think I have the model that's like one up from the basic because it has the heated seats. But yeah, if I just turn it on, I have it in eco mode since I mostly do city driving, but you can also do it in sport mode, which makes everything red, and normal, which is just like that, but I'm gonna put it back on eco. Yep. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot first and then Target, so let's do it. There's all of these. I'm trying to find the one that I was looking at online. There it is. Is there like an open box? Ash clay. It's called Fisher's Ironed Wood. That's not it. Alright, so I just went in and checked out at Home Depot. First I got a wall plate for the bathroom and some more grout for the bathroom as well. I was so annoyed because on their website it says that they have 30 cases of this floor that I'm looking at, and 30 cases is, you know, a lot. But then when I went there was only one, but it was like opened, so there were a couple of the planks missing. So I asked the employee there if they had any more, because usually they're like up top and they just have to get like that crane thing to get it down, or the lift, I mean. But he said that there weren't any in stock because he didn't see them in the same spot that I was looking at, and I'm not one of those people who's gonna like say like, oh, okay, but then go and ask a different employee the same thing. So I just left. But oh my god, I'm pretty sure they were there, because I mean, it's not like there was only one or two and maybe they had like miscalculated or something, but they definitely had them. But whatever. I think I'm gonna go to Target now, and then I'm getting hungry, but I don't know what to cook for dinner. So I'll have to just finagle something there. So, yeah. That was annoying, because it's already annoying enough to come here. But, whatever. I guess I'll have to try again a different day. So, at Target, I got this jump rope. This was just the cheapest one they had. And a lampshade. I'm gonna try this out now, because I have this lamp here that the lampshade got all ruined, so I'm gonna try using this one. I think it'll work. Awesome. I feel like that looks okay. Looks pretty alright. Yeah, so that was just a $10 lampshade. I was hoping that these were all universal, and luckily they are. I feel like I need to put this somewhere and not just on the floor. But where? I could put it on that side table, but then I'll have to plug this in over there. But yeah, I guess that's fine though. I think that's pretty nice. And then I've just got this other lamp here. I think I might just make some japchae, which is Korean glass noodles with like a ton of veggies. If you haven't heard of it, it's super good and very easy to make. So I think I'm gonna do that. Look how much food I made. This is like a week's worth of food for me, which is awesome because now I have like lunches and dinners for days. But yeah, it barely even fits in this giant pan. This is the biggest pan I have. But this looks really good. I'm excited to eat this. But I am going to close out the video here. I am just going to relax a little bit, have my dinner, and clean up since our friend is supposed to be here in like half an hour. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I hope you enjoyed this shorter vlog. I will see you in my next one. Bye.